Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and a very good evening to my lecturer and my beloved friends. So today my group are going to present the characteristic, one of the character in the movie that we watch, which is the Hunter Killer. The character that we choose is Captain Sergei Andropov. The first strength that we can see in this movie is when he gives an order to his people in the other ship by just using a phone call. From here we can see how well he trained his people to obey on his instruction. So here we can see how much they respect their leader, their captain, to obey with each single instruction that be given from their captain, even though Captain Sergei Andropov is not their captain at that moment. The second point of strength of the character that we can see in this movie, which is Captain Sergei Andropov, is about his knowledge. Why I say this? We can see how knowledgeable he is from the way he control certain problem or certain thing in certain scene. Let me give an example. Let's see how he used his knowledge to escape from the submarine trap in order to help the American submarine to enter the Russian camp in order to save the president of Russia and bring him back to their camp safely. Okay, that's all from me. I hope you can enjoy my presentation, and I'm going to pass our presentation to our next presenter.
Okay, next we will talk about the weakness of Captain Andropov. In my opinion, Captain Andropov is a man who does not think rationally. Captain Andropov accuses Captain Glass of no investigation. For example, Captain Andropov accused Captain Glass of threatening them by firing shot at his submarine. Initially, Captain Glass wanted to consult with Captain Andropov for his help. However, Captain Andropov ignored them and said that Captain Glass had fired his submarine. It shows that Captain Andropov was an arrogant man.
Hello everyone, I'm Jason. I'm here to explain about the opportunities that shown in Captain Sergei Andropov. Captain Sergei Andropov, as the commander of Russian submarine, he helped Commander Joe Glass as the commander of US submarine. Captain Sergei Andropov helps him a lot in the mission of rescue the Russian presidents. This action can actually increase the diplomatic relationship between US and Russia, and then US will remember this action that done by Russian army. Then it will help Russia in the future when they face any difficulties. So I think this is the opportunity that shown in the characters of Captain Sergei Andropov. Next, my friend will like to explain about the threats shown in Captain Surgeon the Prof. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. Hi, my name is Daniel. So now I want to discuss about traits in SWOT analysis for Captain Sergei Andropov in the Hunter Killers movie. So before we discuss, I want to explain about trait. Trait is a person or things likely to cause a damage or danger to someone else. Okay, the threat that he occur is after his submarine has been attacked, he feared that he will be dead in the sea forever. Secondly, after being rescued by the Commander Glass team, he also feared that he might be the prisoner of the American. And lastly, he scared that he might be the traitor of his own country because he already told many secret ways to Commander Glass about how to go to the Russian base without undetected. But he's wrong. What is he doing is the right thing because he already stopped a big war from happening.